Hey everybody, Russ here from the End of the Hood radio show. This is going to be a quick video on how to reset your oil change interval on a 2017 Subaru Outback and a few others close to this year. So first thing you do, I've got the car running. Go here, push the info button on the screen. See the maintenance button? Tap that once. Oil and oil filter, your rotations here. You've got your brake oil, your trans fluid. I mean, lots of info here. It's a great system. Tap engine oil. Now just type in your date here. Enter that using the pencil. So we've got the date we're going to change, and this one happens to be 08 and then 02, and then we're going to be 22. So there's the change date of it. We're going to hit OK. Distance, we're going to edit this by using the pencil again. We're going to go on this car 5,000 miles type of oil, and what we recommend for changing here. So remaining now is 5,000 miles. We hit OK. Now we're going to go over here to oil filter. Again, we're going to edit 08, 02, 22. OK. Miles, hit the edit button with the pencil. And we're going to go 5K, 5,000 miles. There we go. Now remaining 5,000. Okay. You could continue to do this with other things. Tire rotation. Now we're also going to go on here. We did rotate the tires today. We're going to go 08, 02, 22, and we're going to hit OK. Distance, 5,000 miles. This is going to set a reminder for them. It'll be at the next oil change, basically. They get their tires rotated. So there you see it. You can kind of get the gist of it. It's all there. We go back to the home screen. So if you missed any of that, it's quick and easy. Info button, maintenance, oil, type it in, good to go. Back to the home screen again. That's it. 2017 Subaru Outback oil change and other maintenance light reminders how to do it. Take care, everybody. If you want to know more about our show, watch the other videos on our channel. You can find us on podcast, underthehoodshow.com for the main website. And we do a national radio show. It's a car talk show we've been doing since 1990, and we do own and operate our own shop here as well. We got a lot going on here. We're actually in the cars every day working on them. We're not just guys talking on the radio. We appreciate everybody who watches and listens to us. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you under the hood.